That's a big one. Shit. That were loud. I told you to move it. Even the local kids who had not got to back then, head back up to Ufasa. Even not the big ones that went out. Even the kids that lived there were in my spot, that one. That one cut loud, let a little whistle off as well, then went. I might not let him off on Ufasa, but maybe go somewhere else later. Head off up this path, they're not. Out onto main road, they're not. Because I filmed on this bit already. Even the kids were in my spot, that big one, guys. I am as well. I mean, the thing is, guys, it's Benidorm Fiestas. That probably wasn't even the biggest one you could get. I was going to get like one of the sort of pamphlets, but completely forgot. But I mean, they do pamphlets for the different stuff. I mean, up here, they're not up that hill if you can. They do tons of different stuff in there, guys. Some for rockets, crackers, smoke grenades.
That hill?
Yeah. There's like a path up next to the steps. Can you manage it? And anyway, as I was saying, guys, that firecrackers, rockets, smoke grenades, fountains, sort of, even like little boxes of different stuff. I think the lads are struggling with the hill over there, but I can't be arsed. Coming out on Ufasa now. Probably head up top corner and chill. As you can hear, guys, there's still stuff going on. And we're coming past Peñas. These things are everywhere in the week. I guarantee they've probably been drinking all day. Like, that's all it is, guys. Drink, more drink, party, fireworks, party, more drink. Right, no, I've already said drink, ain't I? Coming past a big Nisaka shop. Just crazy, guys. I mean, you still got people setting up for the parades. When they're doing a barbecue, little kids setting stuff off. But mini forward display there, guys. This is Benidorm. And I mean, to be honest, guys, it's at times like this I remember when I moved here, because it is crazy. I mean, you got pennies all down there like, setting stuff off. Just everywhere you look. It is crazy, guys. Right? Probably. Yeah, because there's tape up here, ain't there? That wouldn't be taped off if they weren't coming up here. And I mean, Antonia charity shop there as well. Tons of different stuff in there. Huge gnome, if you want a gnome. I mean, it's not something you really see in a Spanish house, is it? A gnome. Tons of stuff, guys. I think I think the parade's coming off all down there, maybe, is it? Oh, there's plates down there as well. Go ask someone. Go ask someone. Like a penny bloke or something. Just say something like parade aquí. So at the moment we're trying to figure out where the parade goes. We know it comes down here, but is it all the way down here or what? Ask Lasso. Ask. Okay, I think we found out where it comes down now. I mean, there's a bit of time before it does come down, but I mean, we can just get settled in, get the atmosphere in, cross over, and just get ready. See, where you going? Up that way. Off that way then.
Plenty of time to kill.
Yeah. That's the thing, guys. You have tons of time to kill. Then it's kind of like, well, it might not even come at the time it's sort of said on the router thing. So you do just tend to stand there for quite some time. But I mean, it's best just to get in, and get a spot, because I mean it does get crazy. As I always say with parades, I do tend to get a lot of people getting in your way, shoving you about, barging you out the way, which I mean, yeah, very annoying, especially when you're trying to film, but yeah, you get used to it. And I've done 10 minutes. Anyway, I think we will probably go where we normally go. Maybe head off down there. See? I mean, I don't really know why we came out early. That is probably a mistake we have made, coming out early. Because then by the time the parade does, by the time the parade then does start, then you're just tired, can't really be asked. But your legs sort of thing. Gonna be a fun night though. The reason we did kinda ask where it starts is because hardly anyone up here, guys. I mean, living in our town this time of year, it is crazy noisy. Just all the fireworks going off, all the parties. I mean, where we live, we ain't too far from Peñas. Then of course, there's a huge fairground up the back of us, which is crazy. Anyway guys, I will love and leave you there, probably gonna put me gimbal away for a bit, put me phone away for a bit till the parade does start. See you soon.